Hi, I'm Adele. I'm the editor-in-chief of Nylon Magazine Singapore. I'm also a photographer.
I'm Trevor. I'm the content lead at SGate. I've been reporting on consumer technology for nearly 16 years.
Hi, I'm Dennis from Super Adrian Me, and I'm a new media content creator.
More often than not, I need to write on the go. It doesn't matter what device I use, I need to have a keyboard. So this one has a smart magnetic keyboard made specifically for the MatePad Pro 12.6. It feels nice when you type. I mean, there's no other way to describe it. So I'll tend to bring up two applications at one go. My WordPress app. The MatePad Pro 12.6 does provide what I would say is sort of a PC-like experience. Of course, there's the M Pencil that you won't get in a computer.
Well, my favorite feature is something that is less professional, but more on the entertainment value. And I love the big screen on the MatePad. The screen is like a 12.6-inch OLED display. So it's great for movie watching. And it also comes with 8 speakers that gives immersive sound. And Huawei devices, their battery life is amazing. This MatePad has 14 hours of video playback time. That's like one full series of like Korean drama, almost.
Almost lah.
Yeah.
One feature that I really like about the MatePad 11, it actually has a 120 Hz display, which means it prevents screen tearing and the graphics are smoother. It just looks good. The graphics just looks gorgeous. I crashed then.
So if you're interested in finding out more about the MatePad, I would highly recommend going down to a Huawei authorized store.
So check it out.
Bing.